Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove a file from your repositories on GitHub. So first you have to log into your GitHub account and make sure that you are at the right GitHub account of yours. Then you can simply click on your profile icon at the top right corner. Now from here you will find your repositories. You can simply click on it, and from here you can find all of your repositories and all of the file that you have added from here. So from here, if you just simply open it, so if you want to delete any file from your repositories, like any file that the repositories have, the file have, so you can simply open that file. Like, let me open it. Like, if you have opened the file here, then you can simply click on this three dot button here at the top right corner, and you will find delete file. So from here you can just remove that file from here. Now simply click on commit changes, so to save the changes here, like commit changes. Here you can see it has just deleted that file from your repository. So this is one of my repository, so it has just deleted or removed a file from here. So make sure that you have committed, click on that button like committed changes to save the changes that you have made. Here you can see the file successfully deleted. So that's how you can just remove a file from your repositories on GitHub. So it's pretty simple. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.